How you doing, man?
Pretty good.
Alrighty. This one right here.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
I don't use the deadlock. I think I just locked the bottom one.
Alright, well, I guess we'll find out in just a second here, won't we?
Did you get that picture of the my build?
Yeah, I'll get that here in just a second. There it is. You did lock the dead latch.
I did?
Yep.
I wasn't sure. I've been out of town for like the last month. I'm working in Georgia and I left my keys up there. I'm just home for the weekend.
I got you.